What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn this Word document into a PDF and also turn that PDF into a Word document. And I'm going to show you if that doesn't work, like you turning a PDF to Word document doesn't work and it still looks like an image. I'm going to show you how you can solve that issue using an alternative method. So let's go right into it. So let's come over here and click this Word document and right click, then come down all the way to open with. Just click on this. So it opens up like this. So it will already see it has already picked Word 2016 for us. So just come down and click on OK. So now wait for it to open up. Okay, so it's done opening up. Let's remove this, increase the size.
Okay, now our Microsoft Word has opened up and our Word document has loaded. Now let me show you how you can convert it to a PDF. Now come over to the top left corner of the screen, click on Files. Once you click on Files, it opens up and you see Save As. Now click on that. So right now it's asking us where do we want to save our files, on the desktop or OneDrive, this PC, or add a place, or browse. You can also browse where you want to store the files. You can put it anywhere on your C drive, D drive, or on the desktop. But I'm going to put mine on the desktop to make it easier for me to find it. So click on that. Then we'll come over to Save As type. Click on that. Click on that. So once you click on it, it's going to have a drop down. On the drop down you see PDF. Click on that and you can go ahead and change the name if you want to, but I'm just going to change the name so that I'll know the difference, this file from the other one, though it's going to be in a PDF format, so clearly it's different. Then after putting in the name I want to, I'm going to come down to save. Click on save. Okay, so that's it. So now I'm just going to wait for it to process. And okay, so it's done. So right now I can minimize the screen. Just click on minimize. That's the top icon up there. So we're going to wait a bit for it to process. But we have this opening up. This is my edge. So right here you can see the PDF opening up. And you can see it's now a PDF format. I've been converted from Word to PDF. Look at that. So I'm just going to close this and look at the desktop. Look at it right there. So that's it. It has been converted successfully. So now I'm also going to show you how you can convert a PDF to Word. So let's go ahead and do that.
Right click, then come all the way to the open with, and come here to Word 2016. And this is one method, like it's short method to make it quicker. Instead of us coming to the search right here, you can also come to search here and just type
Word 2016. That is the number. Then you can see it up here, right here,
and just open it here. Let's just click open. There we could either drag the file in from here. So let me drag it in here. I'm going to show you about that way. You can also open on that document by clicking there and just checking for it. Okay, so right here we have a message from the Microsoft Word and it says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document, and this may take a while. The result Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contains a lot of graphics, pictures. Basically, if there's a lot of pictures there, designs, it might not look the same way. So we can also click here if you don't want to see this message again next time when you are doing this conversion. But let's think about this and just click OK. So Let's click on OK now.
Right now it's loading our files, so we just wait for it to open up.
So this is the document, and now we can edit it, anything we want to do before we come to the save file, come down to save as, then choose where we want to save it, our desktop. Then you can notice it has already been converted to Word document. See? Converted to Word document. So let me change the name to 3. And all you need to do is click on save. Because when we were trying to convert the Word document into a PDF, we had to come down here to pick PDF. But when we're converting a PDF to Word document, we don't really need to come down to change this. Automatically, that's done for us. So now let's come here and click on save. So wait for it. Okay, so it's done. So let's close this. I'm casting it right here. If you hit right here, all done. Now sometimes it doesn't work that well exactly. So let me show you another method.
Okay, so now we're going to close that. After closing it, we're coming over to the search bar right here. We're going to click on it. Once it opens, we'll click on Word 2016. So after clicking it, we now wait for it to load. So that is it.
The second side how you can look for your documents is by coming to open other document. Click on here. Then you can now choose browser. Then it's on my desktop, and this is it. Right, yeah, that's it. Okay, yeah, this is right there. So we click on it. So this is the name. Then I click on open. Now, also requires the thing here, our files that I've opened up already. We can see it says today, then yesterday. So let's come over here to open. We have the same message again, so let's just click OK.
Now this is the reason why you might want to click on don't show me again, so that you don't see this message again. Okay, so right now it's opened up. Let's increase it. Open up. So now the issue we're having here is that we can't edit this Word. Now that PDF has been converted into a Word document, we can't edit it, and this is an issue. It looks like a picture. See, we can drag it up and down together. I tried clicking on it to see maybe I can change it and maybe able to edit it, but it's not working. So I'm going to show you an alternative way that you can successfully convert a PDF to a Word document if you're having this type of issue. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to close this now. Let's close it.
So let's go over here to click on Chrome. Click on it. Wait for it to open up. Then just increase the size. Okay, so here we are on Google Chrome. What we need to do is come over to the start and type convert PDF to Word free. Yeah, because some you need to pay for it to convert your PDF to Word or to any other format. But what I'm looking for is for a free conversion. Yep, free. So I'm still gonna come down to here. This is what we're going to use. We're going to use I Love PDF. It's pretty great and fast in converting PDF to Word document or any other format. So let's come up here and show you this. You can see here you can convert Word to PDF to Word. You can PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, HTML to PDF. I mean, there is different formats right here. So this is site right here. You need to come to ilovepdf.com. So that's how you can use it. So right here you can see this icon here. This is Google Drive. If you have your files on Google Drive, you can easily connect it, then get your files from there into this website and have it converted. You can also use Dropbox too. You see the file is there. So I have the files on my system, so I was going to use here. Just click select PDF file. Then this is the one we have an issue with, so click on it. Then add it. Here's the name here. So let's click on open. So this is the file here being uploaded. It's done uploading. Come over here to convert to Word. And that's it. So automatically it's going to download by itself. Just wait. Okay, so this is it right here. Downloading. If it doesn't download it by itself, you can just come here and click download Word. So yeah, it says your PDF has been converted to an editable Word document. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's come here and let's click on open. So wait for it to open now. Right here, so it's opening up. Go ahead, I want to put them side by side. And then two. So this is the first one I tried converting to a Word document, but it looks more like an image. So this is after using our alternative method online. We uploaded the file online, then downloaded it again. So come right here to enable edits, right? Look at the file. Now we can now edit it. It's no longer an image. Then click here and delete it. That's it. I can now edit it. I can now type thing. Let's go out. I can now make changes here. Fake. But with this, we had an issue with an image. Stand image and we can't edit this. So in case if you're having issues converting the PDF to Word, you can also try uploading to a website, then with downloading it. But do be careful, safety online, always be safe and be careful what you upload. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If this video has been helpful to you, please go ahead and subscribe and watch this video right here. YouTube thinks you like it.